Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifah Sugiarti. I'm an English teacher in SMK Negeri 1 Lawang, Regency Kota Waringin Timur, Provinsi Kalimantan Tengah. I am one of participants in a webinar workshop organized by TIE UPS International, hosted by Pdpu India in collaboration with Dinas Pendidikan Provinsi Kalimantan Tengah, FTKOM Pusat Kalimantan Tengah, and MGSP Bahasa Inggris Nasional. By topic using open source software for better student engagement online. Whenever I hear a word India, the first thing appear in my mind is Bollywood movies such as Mohabbatin, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and so on. And the celebrities of India such as Shah Rukh Khan, Rani Mukherjee, Preity Zinta, and many more. But actually, I personally admire with India country. India is world second largest population in the world. It is about 1.3 billion population. And India has similarities with Indonesia. There is many culture, language in India. They are Hindi, English, and more than 20 others official language. And the similarity with Indonesia, we have hundreds of language in our country. And also, the currency of India rupee, then in Indonesia called rupiah. And I have a dream that one day I can visit this country. And besides that, Dangdut is genre of Indonesian music which contains Malay, Arabic, and of course, India. In my opinion, Indian education system is very good, and we have similarity. In India, there is primary class 1 till 5. There is age from 6 to 10. Indonesia called elementary school is between age 6 until 12. And the secondary class 6 until 10, age 11 till 15. And in Indonesia, we have junior high school. It is between age 12 until 15. And the higher secondary class 11 and 12, age around 16 until 17. In Indonesia, we have senior high school that's between this around age 15 until 18. And undergraduate professional 4 years, medicine 5 years, and commerce 3 years. It's similar with in Indonesia. And the fact about India, that is world first university from India, and the world's third largest higher education system with more than 800 universities, 39,000 colleges, enrolling more than 20 million students. World's fourth largest number of PhDs. Pdpu, or Pandit Dindal Petroleum University, is world-class in energy, education, and research, promoted by partnership of government and industry, broadening of opportunity for both student and professional. The facilities are a Center of Excellence in Pdpu. They are Siemens Center of Excellence, Center of Excellence Geothermal Energy, Solar Research Development, Drilling, Cementing and Simulation Center, Center of Biofuel and Bioenergy Studies, International Automobile Center of Excellence, or IACE. From all of about description of Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University, which has complete facility and good program, I recommend it to students who want to continue the studies in the university, especially in India. Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University is one of best choice for the student to continue the studies there. About TIE UPS is an organization of young and international experienced who are passionate and committed for education, and all activities are related to the field of education internationally. As organized in a webinar workshop TIEUPS International, in my views, is very good because can organize or manage in every season, in every day with very good. I hope in the future we are the teachers in the region can invite again another workshop or webinar so we can upgrade our knowledge and we can follow the development of knowledge outside, especially in the international. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.